Okay, so a little confused here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not a normal way to sit. And then over here is baby Penny, who is number 6. So, oh, I know, you're terrifying. You're just terrifying. Now that I've cleaned out the room, bonk, you can start stretching your wings. But as you can see, oh yes, yes, you're terrifying. You're just terrifying. You can see all those lovely feathers coming in on her back, where she had the scarf tissue from. Oh, there we go. Good job. Look at you. So at the moment we seem to have a couple that can't fly. At least 2 or 3. What are you doing? Yeah, that's what I thought. Leave them alone. We'll sort this out tomorrow. Okay, Penny. You want to fly again? That's a good looking back. It is. Now if we could just get some tail feathers growing. Well, it looks like those might be coming in too. Knock it off, silly. Sorry. Oh, put this down for a second. So this is my recipe for spicy pigeon. Oh my gosh, look at you. Look, all of these back feathers are coming in. And tail feathers. Look at those tail feathers. Yay. Okay. Alright. Take a little pill. If you can fly, go for it. No? You're just going to look at me now? Just remember, you'd be cat food without me. Seriously. You would. But now that she is more feathered, she needs to learn to spread her wings. So that cage is going away. And these guys need to figure their shit out. Because that one sitting there, no, not that one. That one back there, they don't normally sit with their feet out front like that. So, ooh, pokey pokey. Oh, that's Valerie with no feet. Poking at the one who's just sitting. I'm not sure who that one is. You guys know? You've been inviting them in? No? Okay. Well, that is, up there is Michael and Eileen. So Michael and Eileen, Penny, Valerie, the little sitting down dude, and another one. So we'll figure out what's wrong with that other one tomorrow and see if maybe they need to be released. But there's food and water down there for those that can't fly. Food and water up here for those that can. And have a happy evening.